Gamgen and I'm in the city in search of the real royal Rajasthani Diwali. There's going to be a lot of tradition, customs, food and costumes. So get set because there's going to be a lot of eating, a lot of shopping and a lot of fun on the show. Eat, dress up and celebrate like royalty. This Diwali, come with me to Jodhpur and celebrate the festival of lights, fun and mithai in Rajasthani style. Where else do you start the quest for the royal Diwali than the beautiful Mehrangarh Fort? Each step that I take takes me deeper into the culture of Rajasthan. Hundreds of years ago, these beautiful courtyards must have witnessed men and women in celebration. The Maharanis must have walked these corridors dressed in their finery to bring in the festivities.
We from paintings know that they wore dark color clothes.
Okay.
We know that they wore peacock blue turbans. And I think they had mastered the art of aesthetics. Because it's a dark night with illumination. The dark color costumes, they accentuate. You literally emerge from illumination.
Centuries later, the fort stands tall, overlooking the indigo-colored houses. Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! The warm smiles and the endearing kammagaris in every nook. I walk these meandering lanes looking for a home that can let me be a part of the festivity. Here in the Blue City, I'm going to meet Chandrakala ji, who was in fact the first and the only female guide at the Mehrangarh Fort. And today she's preparing some Diwali goodies and I am going to intern with her in her kitchen. Chandrakala ji, at your service. चले काम पे लग जाए. हाँ चंद्रकला जी, तुम क्या बना रहे हैं?
पहले वाले खाकली बना.
Here, in the cool courtyard of this 200-year-old house, I sit kneading the maida in oil and water. Dekho, this is the hand of the expert. It's come together so beautifully just in a minute. Chandrakala ji is introducing me to a recipe that is made in each house of the Blue City during Diwali. अच्छा चंद्रकला जी, अब ट्राई करें जो बनाए
सही है. टेस्ट करोगे तो मालूम पड़ जाएगा कैसे बने.
चलो आप टेस्ट
लो, पहले आप लो.
चलो ready. I don't know if the camera has been able to catch the crunch of this. एकदम crunch की आवाज आई है. Soft भी है, tasty भी है. चंद्रकला जी, आपकी रेसिपी एकदम टॉप की निकली.
Thank you.
I'm looking for a truly traditional experience and giving me a lesson in life and lifestyle is Mahendra Singh Tanwar. Khamma Ganisa. What a view. यहाँ से तो पूरा ही सिटी दिखता है. तो ये सारे घर जो ब्लू हैं, इसके पीछे क्या कहानी है?
कहते हैं कि सबसे पहले ब्राह्मणों के लिए ये अपने मकानों के बाहर पुताने की परंपरा थी. लेकिन बाद में जब लोगों ने देखा कि अपने घरों के बाहर जिनके ब्लू कलर हैं वे घर बहुत ही ठंडे और उनमें मॉस्किटो नहीं होते हैं, तो फिर उन लोगों ने भी अपने घरों के बाहर नीले रंग से पुताई शुरू करवाई और देखते ही देखते पुराना शहर जोधपुर एक नीले शहर के रूप में जाने लगा.
एंड द अदर थिंग दैट हैज बिकम आइकॉनिक इज द पगड़ी. ये पगड़ी आपने भी पहनी हुई है. इस पगड़ी का क्या रेलेवेंस है जोधपुर में?
और पगड़ी हमारे लिए सिर वस्त्रान है और ये एक मान और प्रतिष्ठा का प्रतीक मानी जाती है.
जी, मुझे पगड़ी का आइडिया काफ़ी पसंद आ गया है और मैं ज़रूर इसे ट्राई करना चाहूँगी. अगर आप मेरी मदद करें, एक बढ़िया सी पगड़ी बांध के दिखा दें मुझे. look, what's the point in just admiring from afar? The fun, after all, is in going all in. And finally, presenting the new Rajput in town. Alright people, here I am in Jodhpur, wearing the Jodhpuri pagri and feeling very much like a Rajput. The only thing missing, of course, is the popular moustache. And Mahinder Singh ji, thank you very much. And आपको क्या इसका इनाम दिया जाए बताइए इस पगड़ी पहनाने का हम खुश हुए
जो इच्छा हो आपकी
जो इच्छा ओके तो आपका इनाम है कि आप मेरे साथ फोटो खिंचा सकते हैं आइए Okay, you can see behind me the Sardar market and the hustle and bustle of Diwali shopping has already begun. Back in the center of this market is this 100 feet tall structure, the Clock Tower. The Sardar Bazaar is where you can shop for literally everything and anything. And if you're a fan of shopping like me, well then, it's paradise on earth. So come on. They're like shards of glass, but extremely tasty. Dupattas, churis, jutis are all on my list. And of course, the impromptu halls for yummy Diwali treats. Okay, this is Pungal Pada, also called as the Meva Bazaar. This is the oldest market in Jodhpur, and during Diwali, this is the best place to be because this little lane is lined with all the sweet shops. Some of them as old as 100 years. But we are looking for Chaturbhuj, but beware, there are lots of shops that will call themselves Chaturbhuj, sweet shops, but you're looking for the one last in the lane, the very authentic, the most popular, the most famous. The Jodhpuri guys love their sweets. आपको इस दुकान की मिठाई खासकर पसंद है?
60 साल से ले रहा हूँ।
60 साल से?
जी हाँ, 60 का हूँ, 60 साल से।
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं? And the sweets have to be made absolutely perfect. Chaturbhuj Rameshwar prides itself for the freshness of its mithai. Not just for Diwali, but every single day of the last 100 years that it has been open. Every day is Diwali.
Every day is Diwali, every day is same.
तो ऐसा क्या है कि इतने सालों से आपने वो मेंटेन अच्छा
गॉड गिफ्ट है हमारा मेंटेनेंस है अच्छा क्वालिटी मेंटेन है
आप कितने सालों से आ रहे हैं
मैं 30 सालों से
30 सालों से It has obviously found its loyal customers who swear by the gulab jamuns.
इनके जो गुलाब जामुन की क्वालिटी है इतनी सॉफ्ट है जैसे कोई मलाई हो या क्रीम जैसे खा रहे हो इतना सॉफ्ट होता है
ये तो बड़ा अच्छा साउंड कर रहा है अच्छा आप मतलब कितने गुलाब जामुन खाते होंगे एक सप्ताह में अगर हम एक वीक में सोचें
मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा टेस्ट गुलाब जामुन ही पसंद है और मैं 2-3 गुलाब जामुन रोज खा ही लेता हूँ इससे ज़्यादा नहीं खाता हूँ मेरा टेस्ट फैक्टर भी है
Everybody is talking about these beautiful gulab jamuns. Wow, क्या gulab jamun बनाए हैं दिनेश जी? Okay, there's a lot of build-up that has happened for the gulab jamuns, and just look at these little babies. They're light brown in color, just oozing with all the sweetness, the beautiful golden dollops of these gulab jamuns. और इनको खाने का एक स्टाइल है, ये चम्मच से नहीं खाया जाए.
आधा पीस लेके यूं आधा करके
अरे मेरा गुलाब जामुन हाँ
आधा
आप खाइए
नहीं मैं तो खाता नहीं मैं मिठाई नहीं खा रहा आधा खाओ आधा काटो
हैप्पी दिवाली सर देखिए जब आप जोधपुर में हो आपको जोधपुरी स्टाइल में खाना चाहिए ये चम्मच भूल जाए और सीधे हाथ से उठाइए ये ब्यूटीफुल सॉफ्ट गुलाब जामुन और मनाइए दिवाली It's time now to get up close and personal with the flamboyance of Royal Rajasthani Diwali. I'm one step closer towards my Royal Rajasthani Diwali. Look at me, I'm in a vintage car in the Jalore district, headed towards an aristocratic ancestral home. Ravla Bheswara awaits. I arrive at the gorgeous Haveli built more than 200 years ago in typical Rajput style by Thakur Jagat Singh Rathore of Champawat. Walking under these entrance arches, I feel transported into another era.
Kammagani.
Namaste, Kammagani, how are you? Welcome to Westfala.
Thank you. The property looks
Kuber Shiv Pratap and Kavrani Sa Uma take care of the property now and have transformed it into a luxurious heritage hotel.
We are the Tikanedar or the Jagirdars, as you said, and in Europe they would, rate as lords and nobles. So that's why I would like to be called a son of a noble rather than anything else. He was very
Giving
much,
guests like me a real insight into their family history and anything else that we fancy.
how handsome Rajput men look, especially with that moustache. That is really a key part of the whole look, isn't it?
देखिए, मैं आपको क्या अर्ज करूं कि ये तो मूंछ का सवाल है। हमारे सोसाइटी में इस मूंछों को बहुत तवज्जो दी जाती है। और एक चीज़ और आपको बताऊं, अगर किसी को चैलेंज दी जाती है तो मूंछ को ताव दे के, बट दे के, हम बोलते हैं इसको बट और ताव, वो दी जाती थी ताकि चैलेंज दे देंगे तो ये देखो हमारी मूंछ, ये राजपूतों की आन बान और शान।
Indeed, मूंछ नहीं तो कुछ नहीं।
आज हम लापसी बना रहे हैं, जो हमारे कोई भी फेस्टिवल होता है मारवाड़ में, उसमें हम बनाते हैं।
हैप्पी दिवाली, हैप्पी दिवाली मूंछों वाली।
Diwali, I'm traveling to Jodhpur in search of the culture, traditions, food and fun in true royal Rajasthani style. I have coaxed the lady of the house now to cook for me a Diwali delicacy. It has been in the noble family for generations.
I learned from my grandmother-in-law.
Okay, and this has been in your family for years, right?
And Uma ji has graciously obliged.
Right now we are in the Janana wing, the Janana chambers of the Haveli. And what does that mean, Uma ji?
In olden times, this is portion for the ladies, and ladies only used to stay here. And
men were not allowed?
No, men were not allowed in this portion.
All the women folk would probably sit together, gossip, share recipes, and that is exactly what we are doing today. And Uma ji, lapsi, let's begin.
The first rule of making a good lapsi is being generous with ghee. So don't hold back, and then add some cardamom for flavor, some nuts go in next, then porridge, add water and cook.
गरीब से अमीरों तक सब जगह ये बहुत सुगनिक मानी जाती है। गुड़, घी, दलिया, we cook with this. So we make prasad for the Lakshmi. Yeah, ये almost cook हो गया।
When the porridge softens, only then add some gur or jaggery, and then within minutes, watch as it changes into a gorgeous golden.
The whole aroma of the dish changes, it starts looking great, and this is the onset of winter time. It's Diwali. Gur is going to keep you warm from within. It also purifies the blood. There is also pure ghee in it, but you really don't need all those reasons for a great dessert dish. That's the lapsi.
And now, ready to plate up.
Now it's time to see if you were a good student or not. Oh God, this is delicious. The flavor of jaggery, ghee, the generous amount of nuts put into this, it's making it delicious, Uma ji. Thank you so much. Ram Ram.
Traditionally in Rajasthan, the houses are adorned with rangoli, made over a floor freshly plastered with cow dung. It is considered auspicious. Even young girls here are experts at making rangoli.
The village of Meda Uppala is getting ready to welcome goddess Lakshmi into their homes. Rangolis like this will adorn almost all houses in this village, and today I feel really lucky to be a part of this Rajasthani tradition.
The little children, of course, are busy planning their antics on Diwali.
Happy Diwali, Moochawali! Bye bye! Happy
village was just a stopover. My royal cavalcade is headed to a special destination.
My hunt for my royal Rajasthani Diwali has got me into the very interiors of the state. And what is Rajasthan without the sand? It's almost sundown now and we are headed towards the sand dunes. Wow, it's so beautiful, Narayan ji. बहुत ही सुंदर.
The noble family of Bhaiswara is sharing this stunning sunset with me.
Hello.
Sights and sounds that a city girl like me has never seen. The shepherds are taking the cattle home and the night sky is turning an emerald blue. Little lanterns are brought out and the fire dances to the tunes of the folk songs. And that's not all. The barbecue grill is put on and as was the hunting tradition, some delicious smoking chicken is dinner for tonight.
Namaste.
Barbecue chicken.
Thank you.
I love being royal.
बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है.
The Hakka has announced the call for Amal Ka Dastoor, an age-old tradition in these parts. Soon the village men begin to trickle into the Ravla, eager for Amal. The village elder will strain and mix opium and present it to the villagers as they wait for the kavarsa to emerge, which he does in full grandeur. He is first offered Amal by a village elder and then all the guests will taste it from Kavar Shiv Pratap's hand.
This of course is saffron water for faint-hearted like me, but traditionally it was supposed to be opium that was strained to mark the festive new year.
By sipping this Amal, the villagers signify their support and allegiance. They will revel today as the women of the house are getting busy in bringing in the evening. The lamps are lit, the notes are right, and it's time to put on the party finery.
If you think I'm overdressed, remember we are here to celebrate a royal Rajasthani Diwali. Wait till you see everyone else also dressed up in their traditional attire. Come on.
The Dholi community is singing praises to the Lord as the whole family comes together in Aarti. Diwali for them is a time to be grateful, to bow the head in devotion,
Happy Diwali!
to sing, dance and party in true royal style.
Well, I came here chasing the royal Rajasthani Diwali, but I realized that royal or not, Diwali means love, light, joy and a lot of fun for all of us. May this Diwali be all that and much more for all of you from the entire team. A very happy Diwali.